Welcome to this overview of the Energy Medicine Professional Insurance Program. Here you will learn about an affordable liability insurance policy for your energy medicine or holistic practice, as well as the many benefits that come along with your policy. When you have the security of the proper insurance in place for your practice, you can feel an increased confidence in knowing that your practice is protected, that you are being responsible for your clients, and knowing that you have increased your professionalism not only for your practice, but also for the field of energy healing therapies. If you don't have professional liability insurance, or if you do have insurance but it is insurance for an industry other than energy medicine, like massage therapy, I invite you to take a look at Energy Medicine Professional's insurance for your practice. We know that finding exactly the right insurance is not always easy, but liability coverage is a vital part of your risk management plan and an excellent tool to protect you and your clients from uncontrollable events. We are here to help you find the right insurance for your practice, one that is tailored specifically to the field of energy practitioners. Anybody in the United States practicing in the energy medicine field is eligible for Energy Medicine Professional Insurance, from new students to experienced practitioners and instructors, all the way up to master healers. This policy covers a variety of different modalities and training programs. We can help you find the right insurance for your situation. We are also going to show you how to get professional support for your energy medicine practice, starting with supporting your private practice growth through educational training webinars, video training, and articles, discounts from partner programs and service providers, and a free listing on a high-traffic practitioner directory, as well as access to Energy Magazine. This professional support alone is a value worth hundreds of dollars to you. We also have a special bonus that we will introduce to you later on. Energy Medicine Professional Insurance, or EMPI, is a national membership organization, originally created as an offshoot of the Healing Touch Professional Association in 2009, to provide comprehensive professional and general liability insurance and practical and professional support for energy medicine practitioners. EMPI was designed to support all modalities of energy healing arts and other non-invasive modalities such as guided imagery and hypnosis that promote health and healing. This program was specifically designed to support the professional practitioner and those training in these fields. This insurance is underwritten by Philadelphia Insurance Companies. Philadelphia began operations in 1962 and is rated A++ Superior by AM Best Company. For you, this means that the company insuring your practice is financially secure and has 52 years of experience and will be there when needed. Liability insurance is a cornerstone in the process of establishing a solid risk management plan for any business. If you aren't sure of what risk management is, or if you want more information about how to create a solid risk management plan for your business, be sure to check out our free 3-video series on mastering risk management in our education center. When you have added liability insurance for your practice, you have taken the biggest step in protecting yourself, protecting your practice, and protecting your clients. We have already helped over 1,600 practitioners get liability insurance for their practice in this specialized field. Year after year, we see that people are satisfied with the insurance and benefits that come along with it, because we consistently have a very high renewal rate, and that only comes from having satisfied members. If you don't already have liability insurance for your practice, it is time for you to make a commitment to invest in your risk management, invest in your career, fulfill your professional responsibility, protect your clients from unintentional harm, and let go of the worry that you are not covered if something out of your control happens. Purchasing liability insurance is an easy way to accomplish risk management for your practice. It is as simple as filling out an online application, choosing your level, and selecting your modalities, paying and clicking send. EMPI insurance is available to all energy practitioners. There is a wide variety of subtle energy modalities covered, including healing touch, EFT, and Reiki, just to name a few. Verbal modalities like guided imagery, hypnotherapy, and energy psychology, massage therapies, energy movement therapies, and many other methods. Our list is around 100 specific modalities, and additional appropriate modalities can be approved. With a simple online application, you choose the modalities you practice, pick the membership level that fits your practice, and pay your annual fee. The application takes about 5 minutes to fill out and submit. Our insurance administrator reviews your application and returns your insurance certificate by email, usually within a business day. EMPI's comprehensive program of liability and business property insurance is specifically tailored to meet the needs of energy medicine practitioners. The power of having a liability policy that fits your practice is illustrated in this example. This is a story of a real claim that was covered where an energy practitioner incorporated the use of essential oils and inadvertently used an oil that one of her clients was highly allergic to. The results of this could have been disastrous. Fortunately, the client realized his reaction and received appropriate medical treatment. The practitioner could have been facing medical expenses and additional expenses related to the incident, including the possibility of a lawsuit if the client felt neglected or mistreated. But because the practitioner had the security of a good liability policy, she had the confidence to take control of the situation and make sure her client was taken care of without concern for the cost. She could take comfort knowing that those costs were covered, and she could continue her practice worry-free. The client's medical treatment and lost work time was paid for by the liability coverage. The client recovered, and the practitioner, now a little more careful, is all right as well. EMPI recognizes that there are many energy healing modalities, and that the practitioners of these modalities are all working in a common field with similar needs. We believe that by bringing resources together, all energy medicine professionals become stronger. EMPI's mission is to provide energy medicine practitioners with industry information, professional resources, coordination of like-minded professionals, information and accessibility of energy practitioners to the public, and to provide the best liability insurance specifically tailored to meet the needs of energy practitioners. We are interested in making energy medicine practice safer for practitioners as well as for their clients. Here's a closer look at the insurance program that EMPI offers. EMPI's comprehensive program of liability and business property insurance is specifically tailored to meet the needs of energy medicine practitioners. Comprehensive coverage. If you are named in a lawsuit, an experienced attorney will represent you if needed. Whatever the outcome, this policy pays for legal fees, court costs, and any judgments involving claims or allegations. EMPI liability insurance is occurrence form coverage for all three areas of coverage: professional, general, and product liability program policies, which cover any incident that occurs during the policy period, regardless of when the claim is filed or whether the policy is still in effect. And this policy protects you no matter where or how many places you work. Here are the specific details of the policy limits. Professional liability, or malpractice coverage. This covers claims made for injuries due to misconduct or lack of ordinary skill. The coverage is $1 million per occurrence and $3 million aggregate. General liability covers claims for injuries that occur at your place of work, including slip and fall. The coverage is also $1 million per occurrence and $3 million annual aggregate. Personal and advertising injury protects you from suits involving libel, slander, or wrongful invasion of privacy. The coverage is $1 million per occurrence and $3 million aggregate. Products completed operations aggregate covers claims made against you for damage or injury resulting from a product you use on clients or from problems arising after the treatment is completed. The coverage is $3 million. Damage to premises rented covers damage to the space you work in. The coverage is $100,000. This program also has an umbrella policy, and this provides an additional $1 million coverage over the coverages listed. Also included in addition to the limits described is legal defense coverage for covered losses and the ability to add an additional insured endorsement if requested by your employer or landlord. All this is available for your basic membership fee. This professional liability policy contains all the qualities needed to give you the best protection for the professional practice aspects of your business. Professional liability insurance was a key component of good business structure that was lacking for energy medicine practitioners. The members of the Healing Touch Professional Association recognized this and requested a professional liability insurance policy specifically for energy medicine. This was not an easy achievement, but with a lot of work, an insurer was found that was willing to take on the challenge and create a policy specifically for energy practitioners. The real treasure in this achievement came with the realization that many practitioners practice multiple modalities and that the similar practices would all be covered. This opened the door to offer the same benefit to other energy programs and to help build the professional credibility and level of professionalism of all energy medicine modalities. Once this program was made available, partnerships were made with other energy medicine programs and modalities that recognized the benefit and value for their practitioners. They recognized that they had the same needs as Healing Touch practitioners. Energy Medicine Professionals Insurance was created as a way to offer the benefits to all energy medicine practitioners. So far, EMPI has partnered with 9 other programs to offer this insurance, specifically for their modalities. Bringing together practitioners from similar programs is important so that the voice of energy medicine representing all energy programs can become stronger, and so that we can provide more benefits and professional support to you. Becoming a member and getting the insurance is easy. Once you have completed the simple online application and made your payment, you're covered. You will receive an instant confirmation that your application was submitted. Then, typically within 2 business days, you will receive a follow-up email containing your insurance certificate and explanation of the insurance documents. In about a week, you will receive your membership kit in the mail welcoming you as a new member. It is important that you take advantage of the member benefits. Go to the EMPI practitioner directory and create your profile so that people across the country can search and find you by modality you offer and by the location you are in. Be accessible to your potential future clients and expand your business. Check out the website for the professional training materials, the professional development calls and recordings, and start learning. Let me share with you a few comments about what our members have said about the EMPI Liability Insurance Program. I like knowing that my business and assets are protected, especially since so many people are interested in suing companies these days, says Melinda of Colorado Springs, Colorado. Wow, this insurance was exactly what I needed. I have searched and finally found the right group to support my energy practice and also offer professional support. Thank you, according to David in Albany, New York. Julie from San Diego, California says, so far in the year I've been insured, I've enjoyed peace of mind in my practice. Thank you for the exceptional service in handling my policy. Thank you for making this process of getting insurance so smooth and simple, writes James of Dallas, Texas. And finally, Nancy from Riverton, Wyoming says, HTPA has provided me with an opportunity to purchase professional liability insurance that exactly meets my needs. What stands out most to our members is the liability insurance that EMPI offers meets the needs of their practice. Our guarantee is to deliver the best in professional support and to maintain the best professional liability policy available for the energy medicine profession. And our promise to you is that we will be there when you need us. This insurance program is designed for practitioners, students, and instructors that practice energy therapies on humans and animals. More specifically, this program is for individuals with training in a reputable program that promotes safe practice, ethics, and scope of practice. The energy work can be local or distance. This program is not designed to cover licensed health professionals such as doctors, acupuncturists, or psychologists. These professionals can use this insurance for their energy work, but must also have coverage for their licensed practice. This program is not for massage therapists that only practice massage. They must also incorporate energy therapies in their practice. This insurance program also does not cover any products that are ingested or taken internally. This insurance is for people who recognize that liability insurance is a necessity in creating a solid professional practice and takes their responsibility to protect their clients seriously. So the big question comes down to how much does this cost? Before we get into that, let's look at the cost of what is the risk or potential cost of not having insurance. Without going into too much detail, this is all covered in video 3 of the Mastering Risk Management video series. The biggest costs are paying for the medical expenses of a claim or the legal defense of a lawsuit. These costs can be catastrophic, well into the tens of thousands of dollars or higher. Here are a few examples. $28,000 is the average cost to defend a slip and fall case, not covering any medical treatment. $100,000 is the average judgment awarded in slip and fall cases that go to trial, and $375,000 is the average medical malpractice claim settled in court. It can take 4 to 5 years on average to reach a settlement. This is motivation to get liability insurance. The good news is that the cost of this liability coverage is really affordable, especially for the value it provides. There are 3 membership levels to choose from depending on your needs, based on the amount of activity in your practice. The 3 levels are the practitioner, instructor, and student levels. The annual cost includes your membership in EMPI, as well as your liability insurance policy. Practitioner member liability, $250 annually. This is the level where the majority of EMPI members fit. This coverage is for energy medicine practitioners that have completed their training in a specific energy practitioner program. This covers full-time practice and teaching classes up to 9 students. Instructor member liability, $350 annually. Coverage includes practitioner insurances as well as coverage for teaching classes from 10 to 99 students per class. This is important for instructors to have this added coverage as they have an additional risk of having groups of students that could have an incident in their classroom. Student member liability, $225 annually. This coverage is for all students, but specifically geared towards the student that plans to create a professional practice and regularly works with clients, but has not yet completed their training or certification. Coverage is for students that practice part-time up to 6 hours per week. We are often asked by students that are going to start their full-time practice during the policy year if they can change their coverage to the practitioner level mid-year, and the answer is yes. They just pay the difference between the two policies. To sum it up, liability insurance for a practitioner costs about $21 a month, which includes your membership in EMPI. And with your membership in EMPI, you also get our member benefits package. It includes an educational center that focuses on business support and professional practice development, discounts from our partner programs and service providers, and a free listing on the EMPI practitioner directory to build your client base with a $120 annual value. Free subscription to Energy Magazine, keeping you up to date with industry news, best practice articles, and resources for your practice. Legislative updates and representation on matters important to holistic health, protecting your right to practice. I hope that you can agree that the cost for a membership in EMPI, which includes your professional and general liability insurance, is an excellent value, especially compared to the cost of defending a claim. In addition, you get to let go of the worry if something out of your control happens in your practice, and you can feel responsible and professional and know that your client, your practice, and your personal finances are protected as well. We have an additional gift that we would like to offer you when you get your insurance today. We have teamed up with Mary Lee Tolan, an expert in online marketing for the energy practitioner, to get you a free registration in our 8 Steps for Online Success for the Energy Practitioner webinar on how to leverage the internet as a tool to build your practice by reaching more people and getting more clients. The information in this webinar can earn you thousands in your practice. Mary Lee usually makes it available for $147, but today you will get it free when you buy your insurance. Now that you have seen how easy it is to add this insurance to your practice, you can take comfort in knowing that you are protected for the uncontrollable events that may happen. This is a great opportunity to get this insurance for your practice at a great price and with an organization that understands your practice and is dedicated to bringing you additional resources that will help your practice grow. To enroll in this insurance program and join EMPI as a member, you just need to click the button below and fill out the online application, and we will get you your insurance certificate, your membership kit, and your additional gift to you right away. If you are a member of one of our partner organizations, just select the organization that you are affiliated with, and you will be taken to their personalized application. We are excited to have the opportunity to serve and support you in this exciting field of energy medicine.